Alright, so first things first, you go ahead and go to the website. All links will be in the description. And then click on the link. They also have the music there too. And then you open it and extract it. Then you go to Steam. Add a non-Steam game. Go to wherever that you downloaded the game. You go to settings, then compatibility, and then force the compatibility. Sometimes you may need to play with sometimes you may need to go ahead and play with the Protons. I always try to choose experimental, because that's the general one that you use and that I've used that usually works. But there are others that you can go ahead and download and use. And there you go. That's how you get it working. It should automatically map your control since it's the Steam Deck. So now that we finally downloaded the game and we got it working, the next thing you do, in my personal opinion, is that you go to You go to Steam Grid DB, where you can go ahead and find banners, logos, icons, stuff like that. And then you choose from the multitude of fan-created slots. But anyway, you go to settings, you go to customization, and you just go ahead and, save the images and put them wherever that you... Oh, I almost forgot. Make sure you organize yourself, okay? Because let me tell you, once you start downloading a lot of these files, it tends to fill up pretty quickly. Heck, I need a problem with that sometimes too. Organize your files. So, hey, if I download this Sonic game, well, I also want to download these Sonic games. Well, make sure you organize those files and have them all in one spot. So, if you ever finish them, need to delete them or whatever reason, then you can easily go ahead and do that. But yeah, after you finish setting up your logos, your backgrounds, your covers, you're basically golden. Okay, now that we're done, we just need to go ahead and head back. And here we are. Here it is. We go ahead, we click on this, and there, it should automatically be able to run. And that's essentially how you do it. Quick, easy. Not too hard. Hopefully this tutorial was very helpful for you, my friend. If you have any other questions, just go ahead and let me know in the comment section below. I will do my best to upload more stuff. I work 2 jobs now, and I'm a little bit slow on putting out stuff, but eventually I will get to your suggestion. Just go ahead, let me know about it. Like if you want to figure out, oh hey, how do I get the gyro to work on a specific game, I'll do my best to work on that. Well, that's it. Peace out, peoples.